After we ate, it was time for us to throw on some clothes and head to the park. But first,
calls. We finna go to the park. It's got better books. So come with your girls and your boys. First things first, we had to stop and drop the clothes off because it don't make no sense how many dirty clothes we had in the closet. So you know I had to bring Babe. Y'all saw what happened last time. And if you didn't, y'all please go check out. I have a short on here on YouTube. I have no phone. It was no translator, so it was bad. But his is going pretty swift. Yep. Okay, but yeah. That's how he's saying this and shit. Bugs, hush.
so instead of us Ubering to the park, we found us a neighborhood park, and it was literally like an 8-minute walk from our apartment. That's perfect. And look who got the mom juice. Hand that over. Thank you.
So we have made it to the playground. And this is where we will be for the next probably hour and a half. Bugs, we going. We gotta go inside.
So as we can tell, or as y'all can tell, and I know for sure, school has to be back in session over here because the playgrounds is quiet. When I tell y'all they playgrounds be jammed packed, the kids don't play by the playground over here. It's 1,000 of them, and all of them be crowded. But let me get into the good part of this. I don't think y'all noticing how much of a daddy's boy my son is becoming. I'm really turning into like non-existent when daddy is around. And when I tell you I'm not mad at all, I have not one complaint. Do your thing, big boy.
Get your mouth off that.
Ready to eat? Ready to eat?
Let's go eat, Dookie. You not hungry? Hey, the stairs.
You gotta take the stairs, man.
Come on, right there. Dukes, the stairs. That's not the right way. No, that was a big old one.
Upstairs.
Stop, Dukes. Oh, he's gonna throw a fit for sure.
So as you guys can see at the moment, who is a favorite parent of choice? And of course, daddy drank all the mom's juice. And then he spilled the rest, guys. Woohoo, dad. Just kidding, babe. Well, I'm serious. He really did knock it over, but I'm not mad. And right after we leave the playground, I don't know how we're going to get Prince Hakeem off, because he is going to go off. Y'all see him having a time in his life. And please, guys, if you haven't this far, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. When I looked up, he was on his by himself. My heart kind of dropped. But y'all, he is really growing up. And from the looks of it, it looks like dad is giving him a pep talk because it is time for us to go.
Hey, no.
He'll do everything but walk out this gate.
No, that's not yours. You're not big enough.
Bye-bye. Mate. Bye-bye. Come on. Come on, Dukes. We gotta go bye-bye. It's starting. No, I'm talking to the folks.
Okay, so today was still as bad as I thought it would be, but we've got him off the playground, and it is now time for us to head on back and come join us on this lovely walk. Look at those beautiful flowers. And of course, y'all know we're going to stop at our meat man because I'm going to make us something good for dinner. I don't really know what. I'm thinking pepper steak, but we're at the meat man, and my meat man is getting the meat that I need.